let me present to you Mr. Beef Wellington. Okay, so I've actually just heated this up from, I actually did make it yesterday, so we'll hope it's not a little too overcooked. Okay, he's seen better days, but you'll get the idea here. So what we have here is a piece of steak, and then there is a little layer of prosciutto and mushroom. They call it duxelle. It's just like kind of very finely chopped mushrooms with garlic and onion. And that kind of encases the steak so the juices don't make the pastry soggy. And then this is our puff pastry. This is kind of the, I wouldn't say diet version because we're puff pastry, but this is the lighter version because it's supposed to be fully encased in pastry. But I learned this little trick with dietitians where, you know, it's all about balance. And if you want the pastry, but you just cover the top part of it and the bottom part, you know, you don't really need it. But of course, it's going off a little of the tradition. So beef Wellington, it's an English dish. They made it for some battle that they won in England, but also the French claim it as well. The most famous thing is that Julia Child did it on one of her shows. She did the French version, which is like boeuf en croûte, which is like beef in a crust. So, you know, I'll side with the French on this one. But it's also a Gordon Ramsay favorite. You can find videos of him making that. So I used a New York steak, but the traditional piece of meat you use is beef tenderloin, like a filet mignon. But this worked out really well. And you get these little slices, serve it with a little side salad. That's kind of it. So there's your beef Wellington. Maybe gives you an idea what to make for Christmas if you wanted to do something different, smaller. Oh yeah, if you don't eat steak or somebody in your family doesn't eat steak, of course you can get all creative. But I have a good recipe I'll share with you for salmon. So you could do salmon. You put a little cream cheese, some sauteed spinach and mushrooms underneath, and you just put your little puff pastry on top of the salmon. So that's for your pescatarian friends. And you know, if you're vegetarian or vegan, I don't know, you put it in the comments what you could wrap in a pastry. I mean, pretty much anything you want. But just wanted to come here, share that on with you. I'm wishing you a very happy holidays and Merry Christmas to whatever you're baking. Please share photos if you made something new, if you're proud of something. I will be your cooking support and community. I would love to see your photos through, you know, Instagram or whatever it is. So, yeah, there you go.